Hello and welcome to our new video. In this video, I'm going to do something unique with AI that I haven't seen anyone else doing. I am going to solve a hard math assignment from the great MIT within just a few minutes using Julius AI. Julius AI is a specialized AI tool for data analysis and visualization, and you can try it out for free yourself using the link in the description. So let's take a quick look at the assignment that we are about to solve. Imagine sitting down to solve a complex math assignment from MIT's Statistical Thinking and Data Analysis paper. It's a daunting task that can easily take several hours to complete manually. But with the help of Julius AI, we can drastically speed up the process and obtain accurate solutions in a fraction of the time. Julius AI is an advanced artificial intelligence tool designed to streamline the process of data analysis and visualization. By harnessing the power of Julius AI, users can efficiently solve complex statistical problems, generate accurate visualizations, and deepen their understanding of statistical concepts. In this tutorial, we will delve into the intricacies of using Julius AI to solve a variety of problems from the MIT paper. Begin by accessing the Julius AI platform through the provided link in the description. Upon arrival, users can log into their existing accounts or sign up for a new account. Julius AI offers flexible subscription plans to accommodate varying needs and usage levels. The basic plan provides 250 messages per month and unlimited exports, while the premium plan offers unlimited messaging and additional features. After logging in, navigate to the File Upload section and upload the MIT Statistical Thinking and Data Analysis paper in PDF format. Alternatively, users can input the questions directly into the chat interface. Julius AI's intuitive interface makes it easy to interact with the platform and access its powerful features. Select a complex problem from the MIT paper, such as a MATLAB script problem, and input it into the Julius AI chat box. Julius AI utilizes advanced algorithms to analyze and dissect complex problems, providing step-by-step solutions in real time. Users can compare the solutions generated by Julius AI with those from the provided solutions PDF to verify accuracy and gain deeper insights into the problem-solving process. Navigate through the MIT paper and tackle multifaceted questions comprising multiple sub-questions. Julius AI excels at breaking down complex problems into manageable components, providing detailed solutions for each part. Users can compare numerical values obtained from Julius AI with those from the actual solution paper to ensure consistency and accuracy. Some questions in the MIT paper may require graphical representations, such as histograms or scatterplots. Copy the graphical question and paste it into the Julius AI chat box. Julius AI's advanced visualization capabilities enable users to generate accurate diagrams and visualizations for graphical questions. Verify the accuracy of the generated visualizations by comparing them with the solutions provided in the PDF. In conclusion, Julius AI offers a comprehensive and intuitive platform for mastering statistical thinking and data analysis. By leveraging Julius AI's advanced features, users can efficiently solve complex problems, visualize data, and deepen their understanding of statistical concepts. Whether you are a student, researcher, or professional, Julius AI provides valuable tools and resources to enhance your statistical analysis skills. Explore the link provided in the description to access Julius AI and embark on your journey towards mastering statistical thinking and data analysis.